Can I make money on YouTube right now? Hello, and welcome to Ask Me Anything About YouTube. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Sal Barbera.
And today we're going to be talking about, can I make money on YouTube right now?
So, I have a question.
Yes.
Can I make money on YouTube right now? That's what
As a matter of fact, you can.
Wow.
Yeah,
I'm so glad I asked.
Me too. Let's find out how.
Okay, so I have questions. Question number one. I've never made a video, but need to make money now. Can I use YouTube somehow?
Let's just run through the whole list of questions.
Well, we'll just run through all the questions then. Number one. I've never made a video, but need to make money now. Can I use YouTube somehow? Number two. Does YouTube pay me to make videos? Number three, when does YouTube start paying you for your videos?
Good question.
Number four, thank you. Number four, what's the number one way to make money on YouTube?
Great question.
Number five, thanks again. Number five, how do I sell products on YouTube?
Keep going.
Is it a good question?
It's a good question.
Number six, how do I sell my services on YouTube?
Okay, so let's start with question number one.
I've never made a video, but I need to make money now. Can I use YouTube somehow?
Yes, you can use YouTube, even if you've never made a video. If you have a cell phone, your cell phone, and it's a smartphone, not a flip phone. If you have a cell phone, your cell phone has a camera, which has photos and videos. So you put the video on, you turn it towards yourself, you light yourself, and you start filming. This is how you make a video. It's pretty simple. Probably you've already made videos for your friends or family anyway, but you've never thought about making them for your business. It's fine for you to start with your cell phone, and the reason for that is everyone is home right now. Nobody expects you to have any kind of fancy schmancy equipment. Nobody expects you to have a videographer. Just do it. That's the best thing, right? Is to just do it. So can you start using YouTube today? Yes. Can you start making money from YouTube today? Yes. How do you do that? You use your cell phone, you make your videos, and you start filming. So to answer the question, how do I make money using YouTube?
I guess your point was to make videos.
Make videos.
Put them on YouTube.
Make videos.
And make money. Okay, so here's number two question. Does YouTube pay me to make videos?
YouTube does not pay you to make videos. You make videos for your business to make money, to market, sell your products and services with video. And the reason you make them on YouTube is because, number one, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So when people are searching for something, your products or services can come up. The second reason is because you can take those videos that you make and you can blast them out to all of your social media. You can put them in your email marketing, and you can put them right on your website. So there are multiple ways for you to use the videos that you make on YouTube. YouTube only starts paying you when you become a YouTube partner. It's called a YouTube partner. And the way that you do that is by getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's not views. Views are different from watch hours. Watch hours are literally people watching 4,000 hours of your videos. When you hit that plateau, then you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program. You get accepted into the program and they start paying you, yes, for the ads that surround your videos. Next question.
But the other important thing about that is make videos on your YouTube channel to get people to come to your website to where they can buy your product or services.
Thank you, Sal. That's so important. Is what do you really use YouTube for as a business?
It's like a directional device.
It's a vehicle. Yeah,
it's a vehicle. That's what I meant.
A
directional device.
It's just a tool for you to get people to your website, to your products, to a landing page, to, if you do affiliate marketing, to the products that you're selling as an affiliate.
So it's like a big breadcrumb to get them to come to your website.
Yes, Hansel and Gretel. You are sending people back to your website with little breadcrumb videos from YouTube.
Little breadcrumb videos. I
like
that.
That. Honey. That was
right.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, I thought of it because I made chicken cutlets last night.
Oh, they were so good. Okay.
Anyway,
Good.
Okay, so when does YouTube start paying you for videos? Did you already say that?
I did. So YouTube starts paying you when you become a YouTube partner and you join the YouTube Partner Program. And once again, that's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, not view hours, watch hours. So people have to watch your videos for 4,000 hours. So the more people you can get to go and watch your videos, the quicker you will be able to apply to the YouTube Partner Program. Now, how do you get people to watch your videos? Your content has to be really good. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that when you make a video, even if you're using your cell phone, that the sound is good, that you can hear what I'm saying very clearly, that there isn't, a bunch of rattling stuff going on, that there aren't wind sounds.
My microphone, don't do that to me.
I'm sorry, microphone. That there aren't wind sounds, that there isn't a lot of ambient noise, a heater or an air conditioner going off, that you don't have airplanes flying overhead or a washing machine going or barking dogs. Try to think of it as you are in your office and you're making videos to sell your products or services. So you want the sound to be excellent. Your lighting, make sure that you're well lit. You can use a window, you can use whatever lights you have. Just turn all your lights on, right? Just light yourself up. So that's the second thing. Make sure that you're well lit. And then absolutely good, interesting, valuable content. So if you're talking about your products and services, get excited about your products and services, because if you're not excited, why would I be?
That's exactly right.
So you're making a video shows you, and you are what's selling your product. It's your excitement, it's your enthusiasm, it's your knowledge of your products and services that are selling it to the viewing audience. That's the point,
to get people excited about what you're selling.
Yes.
So that they're excited about buying it.
Because as you build
or
your
they're happy
authority.
Buying it, yeah.
Yes.
As you build your authority.
As you build your authority, and as people get to know you, and as people see what your products and services are all about, it makes them feel comfortable purchasing from you as a new client, as a new customer.
Right. They have to believe. What's the number one way to make money on YouTube?
Wow. Okay, so this is a question that a lot of people have asked us. What's the number one way to make money on YouTube? And that is sort of a loaded question, because it's kind of up to you and what it is that you do. That's the number one way for you to make money on YouTube. And really the best way for you to make money on YouTube is to send people from your videos to your products or services. And the way that you do that is by building your expertise with your videos, by showing your products and services in the most remarkable, passionate way that you can, and then by giving them the links to get there. How do you do that?
Telling them to go to your website,
yes.
Telling them where to go, telling them what to do.
In your videos.
If you tell people what to do in your YouTube videos,
don't assume that they
know. They will do it.
Right, because
they
how
will
would they
do
know?
It. If you say, click here to go to my website, they're just going to immediately click there, and then they'll come back, but they want to know where your website is.
But when you say click here, where are you telling them to click?
Yeah, you have to have the
hot link in the description below your video. So you want to say to people, in the description below my video is a hot link. You just click it and it'll take you right to my website where you can learn more about my product and service.
A button that's a link takes you directly to a website, let's say.
Well, it won't be a button in your description.
It won't be a button in your description.
It won't be a button in your description, but it will be an active link. It'll be a different colored blue generally on YouTube. It'll be a clickable link.
So it shows the link description.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it'll be a clickable link. And then you just send people to wherever your product or service is that they can learn more about, that they can buy.
Wait, it's the link description of the URL. Is that correct?
It's
the URL and it's a different color. Yeah. I have to make sure, I have to be clear about this so that...
Yes, that's exactly what
I remember.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, honey.
All right. So how do I sell my services on YouTube?
Okay, let's back it up, because let's just start with the number 5.
Okay. How do I sell I skipped one. How do I sell my products on YouTube?
The way to sell your products on YouTube is by showing them and explaining all the benefits of your product. Because remember, you're not selling features, because you do want to list what all the features are of your products, of course, because that's what makes your product usable, remarkable, unique, and special, or just something that people need. Those are the features. But what are the benefits? That's what you want to sell. You want to explain
what your products can do for them.
What do your products can do for
your customers?
For me? Because
right.
That's what people want to know. How are you helping me?
How is it going to make my life better?
How does it make my life better? How does it make me rich? What does it do for me? What does your product do for me? I know your features are great, but who cares? What I want to know are, what are the benefits? What do I get out of it? So that's how you sell your products. You show them well lit, very cleanly and simply, either with a simple background, or you show them in the place that they're being used. So for example, if you sell chairs, you want to show your chairs being used in the space that they would be typically used in. So if they're dining room chairs, show a dining room. If they're living room chairs, show a living room. Kitchen chairs, show a kitchen. So obviously, so that's number one, show them being used. Number two, if possible, call your favorite customers, get a testimonial from them. Ask them, can I film you? Go on Zoom, Zoom.
And you know what? Your customers are happy to do that. They like doing that.
Yeah,
if they're a loyal customer and they like you, they love doing testimonials. They love doing videos for you.
Yes, because they love your products.
Right.
And they probably love your service.
Right.
And so they want to help you. Of course,
right.
Why wouldn't they want to help you? Yeah. So that's a great point, honey.
Right.
Thank you. And the way that you can do that right now, today from home, is to do that on Zoom or Loom, Loom, or StreamYard, StreamYard is another one that you can use. You can ask them to film themselves on their phone and then just email or text that to you. If they have a YouTube channel, they can upload it and you can link to it. There are so many ways that you can get these testimonials from them. So
you can actually disguise yourself as your customers and do your own testimonials.
Don't disguise yourself as your customers.
You could be different characters.
Don't do that. Get the real people.
I got the idea.
That's a crappy idea.
Not good.
It's a lousy idea. Don't do that. Okay, so testimonials, showcase your products in where they actually are, and that can be what's called B-roll. You just show them in a photograph in the location that they're actually in. And then the other thing is to literally have your product in hand so that people can see what it looks like. Show it close up. Show it being used. Show you using it. Show somebody else using it. And then finally, talk about why you made it. Talk about why it's great for your viewer. Talk about what it's done for people's lives. Talk about how customers have told you how great your products are and how much they've helped them. So these are some of the ways to sell your products through video online.
This is what
right
she's
now.
talking about being excited about selling your products. Do you notice?
I get so enthusiastic about this.
The sixth question is taking forever to get to.
I'm sorry, but I do love this.
All right, I'm going to ask the sixth question. I already asked it because I asked it prematurely. How do I sell my services on YouTube?
So services are a little bit different from products, but not that much, because you still have to get testimonials. You still want B-roll, which is photographs and or video of you with a client that you're helping or coaching, that you've already trained or done something for, showing you doing that for them talking about what you've done for them, and then you talking about your services. And then of course, telling people, here is my website, and then showing it in text across your video. It's in the description below with a hot link in your description. And literally when you type in the text into your description, if you copy and paste in the URL for your website, it becomes a hot link. YouTube automatically makes it a hot link. So you don't have to worry about how do I do that. It just happens, if you were wondering.
That was going to be one of my questions. I was wondering.
Okay, well that's how it happens. It automatically
it.
happens from YouTube. You don't have to do that. And then make videos showing how much you love what you do, why you love what you do, how you got into doing it, what made you become a coach or a trainer or an educator, Who are the people that you've helped?
Yeah, people love a backstory. They like to hear the history of your YouTube channel, how you started it, where you started it.
Channel. Talk about you and your services. Give your backstory.
Your backstory.
Yeah, it's about you and how you help people. So that's the backstory.
It's your story.
Yeah. If you want to talk about why you're on YouTube, fine. You know, talk about why you're on YouTube and how it's giving you the opportunity to reach so many more people.
Thank you.
And help so many more people. That really was a fantastic point. I'm sorry.
At first it didn't seem like it, but I'm glad you brought it around and made it into a fantastic point.
But when I realized what a great point it was, because truly on YouTube, truly on YouTube, you can reach so many more people and you can help so many more people with your products and services, not just locally, but within your entire state, within your entire country and globally, if you want to. Because the resources are there for shipping, the resources are here right on YouTube for you to be able to coach and educate and train right here, right on YouTube. So take advantage of it today. The question was, can I make money on YouTube right now? The answer is emphatically yes. Yes, you can make money on YouTube right now.
Okay, well, that's all the questions I have for now.
Okay, well, I'm Sheri Barbera.
And I'm Sal Barbera.
This is YouTube Bootcamp. Ask me anything about YouTube, and we'll see you
in the next video. I knew you were going to say that.
Thanks for joining us. This is YouTube Bootcamp, which is video marketing, branding, and strategy for small businesses, creatives, and professionals.
And I think you should just subscribe now. Just subscribe and get it out of the way. Go ahead right now. We'll wait.